Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber or this is your first time watching like one of my videos, then I'm Taylor with the U, and I just post a bunch of like hair videos, basically like natural hair, or I do reviews. I'll do like something extra from time to time, but so far they see it. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I ordered some hair off Amazon. It's called Amella hair. Yeah, I'm gonna put the way to spell it like right here. But I ordered it and I have prom. So I came in this prom package. I got this on Sunday. I ordered it on a Friday. So it only took 2 days with prom once again. So yeah. So I seen like reviews and stuff about this hair already, and yeah, like I heard it was supposed to be some good hair, but this is the boxing that it came in. It really don't say nothing else. 100% virgin human hair. So let me see. Open the box. Shoot. It comes with a weaving cap. And I got 16, 18, 20, and a 14-inch closure. So yeah, this is the closure. It's 14 inches. Yeah, of course, it comes with the little protective net on there. So you can part it down the middle, or on the side, or on this side. You can basically part it anywhere. I like this closure. It's like, it looks natural. You can part it like anywhere. But yeah. And this is the 16, the 18, the 20. Y'all, really, I'm not a 16, 18, 20 type of girl. Shoot, that's baby inches to me. But since this is my first time trying hair companies, I usually like to start with like cheap hair, so I don't spend like $200 on some hair that's not that good, if that makes sense. But it got a little smell to it, whatever. You're supposed to wash it, or pre-wash it, I guess. But like, it looks really good, like when you like break the, see, this is the type of curl pattern it come in. But if you like break it out, I feel like it looks so much better. See? Ooh, baby. But yeah, it didn't even come with no lashes. It just came with the 3 bundles and keep dropping stuff. And this. I'm not making a wig. I do sew-ins only. I'm not a wig type of girl. But yeah, as far as the hair, it feels like really soft. I usually get Amazon Clay Ailey hair bundles, but I wanted to try something new because I always got it. So yeah, this seems like some good hair. It's kind of baby inches to me, but okay. The 16 and the 18 inch kind of looks similar to me in length, but let me see. So this is what the wefts look like. Pretty decent. Take this off. And you know how like if you put some shampoo on your hair, but you don't take it off. So like if you was like to put shampoo in your hair and it like be like a big cloud, but you forget to wash it out. I don't know if y'all ever did that or not, but I have. And that's what this feel like. I just feel like your curls is stuck because you had shampoo in your hair and you didn't wash it all the way off. But yeah, these curls are real tight. Can y'all see me with it? Yeah, but it should be good, I guess. Your girl is gonna be back. Ain't no more fried, dyed, and gel to the side edges. Your girl is gonna be a official baddie again. Back to her baddie status. It ain't long, but baby, it's something. It's something. Back to her baddie status. Yeah, I play too much, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so that is the end of this. I was gonna say Amella, of this Amella unboxing review so far. They didn't hook me up with no lashes, and I be seeing people get lashes. So is it because I'm black or no? I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But for real, I should have got some lashes, and I didn't. But yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for me, please. Because your girl is gonna come up, and your girl is trying to make it in life. So, and your girl is trying to get some deals from her companies. Yeah, y'all, but that is it for this video. I'm gonna put my little bundles back, and when I get my hair installed, I'm gonna make sure that I make another video review basically about the hair, and yeah, basically that's it. And my friend, she make wigs if y'all looking for somebody to do that too. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Thumbnail. I'm just like, bye y'all.